Welcome. In this video I'll be walking you through how to create a Microsoft Excel workbook that's password protected and encrypted. Please make sure that we like this video and subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot. For our first step, let's launch Microsoft Excel. In the search bar I will type in Excel. I'll open a blank workbook, and you could create whatever you'd like here. We'll just put in passwords here and accounts. And let's say I want to create an account for Gmail, and my password is password1. Now every time I want somebody to open up this workbook, they have to enter a password in order to have access. In order to do that, we're going to go over here to File. We're going to click on Info, and we're going to click on Protect this workbook and encrypt with a password. I'll put in a password here. I'll just type in password. Re-enter the password just to make sure that you have it correctly, and please make sure your caps lock is not on. I'm going to click OK. And now a password is required to open this workbook. I'm going to save this on my computer in my Downloads folder, and I'm going to name it Password Protected Excel. So now it's saved. Let me show you what happens when anyone tries to open it. If we go over to Downloads and Password Protected Excel, I'll double click on it, and it's asking us for a password to open it. If we type in the password that we set in the previous step, it'll open no problem. We could always change this password to open this workbook by going back to the info screen, and we could click Protect this workbook, encrypt with a password, and at this stage you could put whatever new password you want in. So I'm going to type my new password in. I'll save my workbook. And then again, if we open up that workbook, it requires the password that we set to open. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.